Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In this session, we are going to discuss one interview question which I faced in Capgemini. That is, there will be a given string. From that string, we will write a Java program which will display the string, and in that string which characters are duplicate, just it will replace the duplicate character with the number of duplication value. That means, let me explain you how exactly. So yeah, so let's open let's open my IntelliJ, and let's create a class. I will just define the requirement to you, then we can proceed with the programming. Okay, so let's take the name something like class name. Let's say string duplicate test. Let's say anything, you can give the name anything. Okay, I just give the name like that. Then let's create one main method. Okay, so as I mentioned, just try to understand the requirement. So let's say there is a string. Okay, and my input will be, let's say, automation. Okay, understood? The output will be, see, if I will mention, the output will be, let me highlight, output will be A U T O M. Instead of A, see, now A is duplicating second time, right? It will be 2. Okay, T, again T is duplication, so it will be 2. I, again O is duplication, so it will be 2, and N, like that. Okay, that means how many times it will be duplicated, that number it will print along with the string. Okay, for example, if I, let's say, I will add, let's say, one more, I want to say A, then in this case after N it will print 3, because age is 3 times, right? Initially it is 1, it is 2, so it will print 2 that time, but now age is 3, so it will print 3. That will be the output. Okay, so let's do this. So what we can do, let's create one map. Inside the map, let's take as key value pair, so we'll take character, and for the count we'll take the value as integer. Okay, and let's take the name as car count. Suppose anything we can take, I just took car count, then import the class, import java.util.map. Okay, then what we can write down, new hash map. Okay, like that will define. Okay, now what we can do, let's create one for loop. Okay, inside the for loop, what we can do, let's create one car C. Then what we can do, we can convert the string into car array. Okay, so input dot to car array. The string will be converted into character array, and all the characters will iterate through one by one. Then after that, what we'll do, let's take one condition. If, let's say, car count, that means, let's say, C is already present in the map. car count map. Then what we'll do? So let's say car count dot contains key. So key is character here. Value will be that integer value. So key. So let's say this character is already present. That means car count dot contains key C. That means this is present already. In that case, what we'll do? We'll write down. Let's say car count. Okay. Car count dot put. What we'll do? We'll put C, comma. Already it is present, so we'll increase the value. Right. So what we'll do? We'll write down again car count dot get or default. Then we'll provide what will provide C, comma 1 plus 1. Okay. Get or default C, basically default means 0 plus 1. Okay. Basically if it is default, then it will be 0. If the any value will be there, we'll add 1. Okay. That's how. Else, suppose it's not present. That means C is not present. Then in that case, what will write down? Car count dot put C, comma 1. Okay. So let's run this system.out.println. Just we will check the car count. Okay. So let's check the. Okay, initially what will print? We'll print the input. Out.println input, and we'll check each character count. Okay. First thing we'll run, then we'll modify one more time for the output. Once again, let's see. Yeah, see, it is absolutely working fine. Now our aim is to print. How exactly we'll print? We'll print automation like A U T O M A. M is first time it will be 2, T it will be 2, I is equal to, okay, I will be there, O means 2, N, A means 3, like that. Okay. So how will do that? So what we'll do? We'll take one string builder class. Let's say. So let's take it string builder. Let's say output. We'll name it as output is equal to new string builder. Okay. Then what we can write down? So let's say suppose if already C is present, then in that case we'll take the count. Let's say take int count. Okay. So how exactly we'll do? First of all, if that character is not, we'll iterate one by one, and we'll add the character, unique character into string builder, and wherever there is a count duplication, that number of count will add. So what we'll do, if the character is not present, that time we simply append the C to string builder. If that is present, then what we'll do, we need to print the count, right? So how we'll do? So how exactly we'll do? Then just write down equal to, okay, int count is equal to, what we'll do, we'll get the count, char count, sorry, I mean char count dot get of c, okay, and plus 1. Try to understand this, how we are getting. If let's say it is already present, then for the second time, if it is coming, okay, the character is coming for the second time, okay, let's what we can do. So int count will get the count. Let's say for the first time, if the character is, let's say, present, okay, initially the value will be 1, and second time if it will come, let's say the character is again present, that will, it will come for the second time. That means the count will be how much? Char count dot get c plus 1, the count will be 2, okay. Similarly, what we will do, we will just enter here the count, not 0, because it will be second time. I mean to say it is already confirmed, right? So instead of default why we took, if it is not there it will be 0, if it is there we will add 1, like that. But if you know the count, then straight away you can enter the count, okay. So count plus 1, whatever may be the count at that time, and plus 1, it will add plus 1, okay. Then what we will do, we will just append output dot append of count, because here we need the number, counter number, not the character. Will append into the string builder. Understood? Now at the end we will print that, okay. So what we can do, we will print output dot to string, because now it is a string builder type, we need string type, so it will be we'll put to string, okay. Now if we'll run this, we'll check the result, okay. Let's run this. See, automation NA, so A means 2, T means 2, I, then O means 2, N, A. This A is for third time, so it will be 3. Let's put some more numbers. Let's put one more A, okay, one more A, one more A, so it will be 3, 4, 5, because this A third time, this A fourth time, this A fifth time, okay. Let's run this. Okay, see, absolutely working fine. So that's how you can write on the program, okay. Understood? Yeah, that's how you can write on the program, so that it will print the string with the duplicate number, okay. Yeah, that's it. So I will come up with some new topic. Till then, take care, bye bye. Please like it, share it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much, guys.